Online course creation explained step by step. Don't forget to follow or subscribe. Online course creation number 6, equipment and resources. Now, this does not have to be a very technical section, and you don't have to be very technical to create courses, but you do need to be able to master some of the basics. First and foremost, you need a room which has got reasonably good acoustics and where you can work undisturbed and away from outside noise that you can record your course in. You'll obviously need a computer, a PC or a Mac, and you will need some form of HD video camera. Now, I use a little Logitech camera, which is very inexpensive, but hey, the mobile phones today have got brilliant cameras on them, and you might well be able to use your mobile phone, at least to start with. You will, however, need to get a decent quality USB mic. I use a Blue Yeti a mic, which is about $130, $140. Anything by Blue, I think, is very good. It does have to be USB. Don't get one with a little pointed jack on it, but it doesn't have to be anything more complicated than that, as long as it has decent sound. And while we're talking about mics, make sure you get a pop filter as well, just to stop the air from your mouth going onto the microphone. For software, you'll need to create presentations. I'm creating this presentation in Keynote because I'm on a Mac. You could do this in PowerPoint, but you will need to have some form of PowerPoint or presentation software. You may, of course, be doing recordings of your screen if you're talking through some sort of process with a screencast. For that, then you will need ScreenFlow, Mac, or Camtasia for PC. There are alternatives to all these, but these are the ones I use that I'm familiar with, and they work for me.